Hey Life Fam, hello there beautiful people, welcome back again to my kitchen. Yeah, something delicious is cooking. I know you guys can perceive the aroma from here. So I'm making Banga rice, yeah, the Nigeria Banga rice. So this recipe was inspired by SisiYemmie's. If you want to know how I achieved this pot of goodness, guys, keep on watching. So guys, for our Banga rice, this is all the ingredients that we need. Yeah, over here I have about 4 cups of rice. Yeah, that's a parboiled rice. So we have the main ingredients here, which is the palm cream. Yeah, in here I have some crayfish, I have some fresh fish here. I'm going to be frying this fish, and I also have some smoked tilapia here. So here I have 1 paprika, 2 onions, and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, that Scotch bonnet is spicy. That's why I'm using 1. So in here I have a 2 seasoning cube, a big and a small, and I also have my salt to taste. So guys, let's get cooking. I'm going to start by parboiling my rice. You can decide to skip this part. You can just wash it with hot water, but I kind of like my rice to be soft.
You take the paper,
so while my rice is boiling, I'm just going to be blending it roughly, okay? Not smooth, just rough. I cut everything into small sizes just to add my blender a little bit. So guys, I'm going to be putting my palm cream. Just have to add some water. You just have to stir everything together. It's going to melt anyway. It's going to melt by itself anyway. So I'll just cover it and let it boil a little bit before I add the rest of the ingredients. So guys, I'm finished blending my pepper. You can see it's not that smooth. Yeah, it's not that smooth. So I'm just going to add it to the palm cream. It looks good already, guys. It looks so good. I'm just going to be adding some water. So guys, now I'm going to be adding the rest of the ingredients. Wow, it's been boiling for a while now. I added 1.5. So this is a Banga spices. I think it's important though, but if you don't have it, you can skip it. Okay, so we are going to be having salt. And our crayfish, guys. Our crayfish. Okay. As our crayfish.
I'm a paper.
Just going to taste. It tastes good already, guys. It tastes so good. So I'm going to be putting my rice. Just take a look at that, guys. Take a look. The aroma from here is something else. The aroma is something else. So guys, I'm going to be adding some water. Not that much, but our rice needs water to cook. Okay, just the same level of the rice. Exactly the same level of the rice, guys. We are good to go. I just have to let it steam a little bit, then I add my fish. So we are going to let it steam a little bit, guys. So let me lower the fire a bit. So guys, this is what our rice is looking like. So I'm just going to be adding the dry tilapia fish. That way it's going to soften up. It's going to soften. Yeah, just going to do that like so. I'm not going to turn the rice right now. No. So let's cover it and allow our rice to cook. So guys, yeah, at this stage our rice is ready. Okay. Our rice is ready, guys. Just take a look. Wow, look at that, guys. Have to load the fire. Wow. Just take a look at that pot of goodness. Going to be tasting for salt. Guys, the salt is okay. I'm not adding anything anymore. It's very delicious.